Hi everyone, and welcome. Are you using a custom domain with Cloudflare but finding that your emails are not being delivered, or worse, landing in the spam folder? This is a very common problem, but thankfully, it has a straightforward solution. Today, I'm going to walk you through the essential steps to correctly configure your domain's email records in Cloudflare. We will cover the three most important DNS records for email: MX, SPF, and DKIM. Properly setting these up tells the internet where to send your mail and proves that you are a legitimate sender, which dramatically improves your email deliverability and security. First, you'll need the specific record values from your email provider, whether that's Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Zoho, or another service. They all provide this information in their admin setup guides. Once you have those values, log into your Cloudflare account, select your domain, and navigate to the DNS settings area. This is where we'll do all our work. The first record we'll add is the MX, or Mail Exchanger, record. This record directs all incoming email to your email provider's servers. Click Add Record, select MX as the type, and for the name, you'll typically use that symbol, which represents your root domain. In the Mail Server field, enter the server address your email provider gave you, like aspunks.l.google.com. Then, add the priority number they provided. A lower number means a higher priority. Critically, for MX records, ensure the proxy status is set to DNS only, represented by a gray cloud. Email traffic cannot be proxied through Cloudflare. Next up is the SPF, or Sender Policy Framework, record. This is a security feature that specifies which mail servers are permitted to send email on behalf of your domain. To create it, add a new record, but this time select TXT as the type. The name will again be for your root domain. For the content, you'll paste the SPF value from your provider, which always starts with v equals SPF1. An example is v equals SPF1 include _SPF.google.com all. It is vital that you only have one SPF record for your domain. If you have multiple, you must merge them into a single record. Finally, we'll configure DKIM, which stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail. This adds a digital signature to your outgoing emails, verifying that the message wasn't altered in transit. Your email provider will give you a unique DKIM key. In Cloudflare, add another TXT record. This time, the name will be a specific selector string provided by your host, something like Google_domain key. Then, for the content, you'll paste the long string of characters which is the public key. Again, leave the TTL as auto. Once you have added all three records, it may take a little while for the changes to propagate across the internet. You can use an online tool like MX Toolbox to check your domain and verify that everything is configured correctly. And that's it. Your email should now be flowing reliably. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech guides. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments